guys, good morning.
Oh yeah, baby. Open the door. Open now. Open this in, my friend.
Alright, so good morning, guys. I was just doing some fizzy and all of that. And okay, so we're actually in the hospital and we drove down here with my mom, my cousin. Okay, is here. I don't know, maybe in labor. I don't know. But we're here anyways. So let's just keep back. So I'm just gonna drop them here and I'll go back home. Look at her belly. Fafa, you not say hello to your people.
Hello guys.
Fafa, say hello
I'm
now.
going to bring out this skin.
Abi.
So when we are out, you shall see us well. See you.
What you come now?
Fafa, say hello to your people now. Oh yeah, see them here. Oh yeah.
Wait, let me see them.
Oh yeah, say hello. They will
I'd like
see
to
you.
see them here.
You can only see yourself. Oh yeah, say hello.
Hello, my name is Fortune.
They know your name already. You just tell them, how are you guys doing?
How are you guys doing?
Okay, you want to tell them we're going to the hospital?
We are going to the hospital
Why are you going to the hospital? I mean, why are you in the hospital?
because
Because what? Oh yeah, now.
mommy is not feeling fine.
Your mommy is not feeling fine. Your mom is feeling fine now. You were asking her if the baby is coming today. Is that not what you were asking? So that's why we're in the hospital now. Abby? Alright guys, so we're actually walking to the inside. Look at them though. Me, I'm just far behind. I don't know if I actually locked that car. Alright, so let's go inside. This is a very big hospital. Like this is Asokoro General Hospital. A little far away from us though. So let's go inside. Fofo. Yes, I get about glasses. Me. You want to beat Fofo in the hospital? Thank you. Papa wants to welcome his brother. This is the father of the boy that is coming out. Boy, okay, your baby is here, boy. Yes. Hey, you go by now, Abby. You come by. I was called upon this morning, like, you know, to just come out. So I just had to. This Christmas tree is fine. The Christmas is finished, so they should remove it. It's golden color. I love it. It's actually a walkway to the hospital. Look at the roof. So as I was saying, I was called upon okay, come and take care. Since there's a car, so you just have to be the one to drive the families around when there are emergency and some important stuff to do. You know what I mean? Oh, so yeah. Look at this. This is the father of the boy that is coming. So how do you feel? His name is Elijah though. He's my in-law. How do you feel, man? Don't you have some anxiety? Are you not excited? How you feeling? How you feeling? Let me know.
I'm good. I'm fine.
Just that. You're feeling good.
Just the beginning. Let's just see how it goes.
Alright. Just like it says, post natal word. Look at this. And look at this one. Okay, look at the delivery ward. I hope I'm gonna see some baby inside. Please keep the door closed. They'll give you injection. Me?
Yeah.
I don't want to take injection.
Go inside.
They'll give you injection too.
I don't want to go inside.
You don't want to go inside? Me too, I don't want to go inside too now. Come back there. What up guys? So we're actually coming back from the hospital. I didn't know the camera was
that
recording.
they paid you that money
So,
because you did
the
not
thing
come
is
for
that,
training, and you went
they
and
said
tell
it's not time
guy
yet.
that
Go to the back now.
that
You're
you
not
work and you were
comfortable.
not paid.
No.
Is that not what you told her?
So they said that it's not time yet. She has done scan and some tests and all of that. So they said she should come back, alright, for
I know
on the 22nd of this month. So now we got an idea. The idea was initiated by my mom because I've pranked her so many times. So now she said we should prank UK's mom, which is her sister. So
when you call her, me no pick.
call her and tell her that you guys giving birth. Let's hear what you guys have seen my auntie like so many times. So
maybe pick him up.
we're gonna be
on
pranking
Monday.
her.
Ask him.
Let me try and
check his laptop and
increase the volume so you
the-
guys can hear.
then
Alright.
give you.
Hello, mommy. You can't born.
Thank God, we have a baby boy.
You can't born.
Later.
Thank God, we are so happy. We are happy. Hey, glory be to God. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Talk now. I know they talk. You know you talk. Your wife done born. Baby boy. Oh, you're 14. Take mama.
Take grandma.
Thank God now. Thank God. Thank you.
Wait. Mommy, guess what? You know, say she
guess,
born
ma.
twins. She born boy and girl. Mommy, she born boy and girl. Twins. She was having twins, so they did not see it in the scan. No.
Thank God. Thank God.
This kind of thing I do, mama.
Okay, mommy, hold on. Mo could tell you. I'll tell you the next good news.
Stand up.
Hold on first, wait.
But you know, say she not even born through CS, so she born by herself.
Bakam. Bakam. Hey!
Don't knock my head.
Okay, mommy,
Remove your big head.
mommy, wait. Mo could tell you the next story. There enough story there. Mo tell you the next story.
Tell me now.
It is a prank. It is a prank. Oh, she never born.
What do you come to? What is all in the head here?
What did they worry you? What did my sister talk?
She say make we behave. Now all of us, so mommy there, my mom there, Elijah there, UK there, even Fortune, all of us plan this prank. Oh.
They hospital, no.
We dey hospital, Sha. We dey hospital. Bring down your head. They said that she should come back. She has done scan already, so they said she should come back on the 22 of on the 22nd. On the 22nd, less than 2 weeks. So they said that she should come back. So we were just like,
I know that the father has done it.
Abby, the father will still do it.
They need some people. I know that the father has taken control.
Yes.
Hey, Papa, thank you.
Now prank, oh, she never born, no. I don't know which one I see. They say, Papa, thank you again, no.
She go born now. She go born.
She go born.
Say go born. Yes, I like that. He go born.
Papa, thank you.
He go born. He go born in Jesus' name. Amen.
Thank the father.
Oh yeah, they talk now.
All
They
right,
talk now. She
mommy.
don't tell
She
them
dey
now.
here, mommy. Mo just.
Don't mind those people.
I don't mind those people.
Try.
No. Stand up. Don't drop like that.
Wait.
Amen. No problem. All right.
The father is in control.
Never mind the 22nd. For my antenatal, them mad in young baby.
Why do you have so you want to have 3 earrings, so you carry one and put it there, so you carry one and put it there, happy?
Amen.
You move for.
Amen. Ma, so me I follow do that thing, Abi.
You follow do the prank
That's
now.
so they do me. They don't do me prank here, tire. That's so they do me. Oh, they don't put me for internet. Say they stole her car. No be smart, you know. If you see me, waka, they go police station by myself. They come, they call me for road. Say make I come back. Say na prank. I curse everybody. And no be smart. Everybody don't hear finish. Ma, we thank Heavenly Father. Everything is okay.
Thank God.
Yes, amen. Bye bye. See you.
All right, mommy. Okay.
Try. Ma. Maybe you have a temper water. No problem.
Alright guys, so that would just conclude this prank. We just wanted to just tease my auntie, you know, about the delivery thing. But let's all go home and keep our finger crossed till like 2 weeks time. Alright, so that's it guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, thumbs up.